Hi guys, it's Rachel here. I'm just going to do a quick flip through of this journal. This is a Medieval Mirage design team project. I haven't done one of those for a while, and it's also for my next client if she wants it. So I'll be contacting her and letting her show the video, see the video, because she told me that she liked Medieval Mirage. Now, it is bulging, but I just love the book. I bought it recently at the antique market. It's from 1833 with a leather spine, and I love the colour of the marbling. So it is very old, and it is absolutely bulging, but you can take out the ephemera. It's still a little bit bulging without the ephemera. I'm going to tie some light sort of aqua blue. Just a minute, I'll grab it. I'm going to tie some of this sari silk around it. I think that'll go really well with it. So let's go inside. I've done my usual sort of front. Now inside I couldn't help myself. I had to put all these nice things I've been making in. This was inspired by Tina from Shabby Dabby Doodah, and you untie it and it's got beautiful Medieval Mirage and my decoupage butterfly that was decoupaged onto book page. It's got quite a lot of layers here, and it's just it's a pocket, so it's just got a simple tag in there. You can write here if you want to, and then I put this pocket, I think I've done in one of my videos, there on top, and then I made this gorgeous tag with Medieval Mirage here on a piece of scrapbooking paper. I think I did that in my video, I can't remember. So, oh, that's just popping up there. There you go. That slides in there, and then you tie it back up. And then we've got a Stamperia Botanics paper. Spring Botanics, I think it was. I don't know if you can still get that. I mean, I can still get it, bits and pieces of it, but I don't know if they still are making it. So anyway, we'll keep on. So this is a pocket that I made. I think I did that part in the video. Was decoupaged on book page, and then I added some Medieval Mirage here. And then this is just a little page that you can journal on. And actually, I've got a Tracy Fox in there. So I think that was left over from a little journal, and I kept it. So what I did was I took Medieval Mirage's pages, and I put them on or another Medieval Mirage, or you know, masking paper or that sort of thing. Original book pages, Medieval Mirage. This is one of my embroideries that I have, and then that's printed on the other side as well. This is just a tuck and one of the tags that I think I made in a video. I felt like that one worked in really well with the papers. And then this is a Stamperia, and then just a big Medieval Mirage tag on some scrapbooking paper. And I've just slipped on here this gorgeous little envelope. I haven't put anything in. Actually, no, I didn't put anything in because you can write on there. So I thought that was really cute. And that just slips on there, and it actually doesn't really fall out either. And then this is some beautiful registers that my mother-in-law's cousin has, and he let me scan some of them, and I absolutely love those. 1781, that one. And they're from near here. And then I've put in one of my window tags. I love those. Really love those. And a little pocket there. That's why it's so bulky. I did put a lot of bulky stuff in there, so you can remove it. Just aren't these papers yummy? So this is a coffee dyed bag that I've stamped on, I've layered on, and then it has a tag in there again with some Medieval Mirage and some napkin. This is the second signature, so there are 3 signatures. So this is a pocket. I think I made this in my flips one. Flips out like that, and then I just put another journaling page in there. And then just some more Medieval Mirage here. This one's on masking paper, and then this lovely pocket that I made, and then just some tags. Just a public domain image from the Met. Another one, I think I did that in the video as well. And here is the loaded pocket. This is going to go to whoever takes the journal. So there's some tags in there. That's why it really is so bulky, because I put a lot of stuff in it. Okay, bulky stuff, I should say. So more, isn't that beautiful, that Medieval Mirage page? And then this went in there as well. Actually, I didn't photograph that, doesn't matter. And then another little journaling spot there. And some more Medieval Mirage, and this is an envelope, and then I put another little journaling spot in there as well. It's a double page. Love these envelopes. Don't need to do much to them. They're very pretty. Beautiful page there in the center. And then I put a belly band here, and this tag, this index, when I did the index part, I put that in there. And again, of course, it's very bulky because it's got fabric on it. And there's some more Medieval Mirage original book pages. I didn't put too many single floating pages around because the pages are double-sided, and I knew it was going to be a fat one. So here's the little window thing that I made after I did the acetate in Tina's challenge. I did put that onto some scrapbooking paper. So I just put it there as a pocket, and then I put in one of my stitched hand stitched tags in there, and then just some old writing there, and it's on tea or coffee dyed paper. That's a beautiful image of Venice, sketch I should say. And then this is a belly band that I collaged on. It's a piece of scrapbooking paper, and I've just put an old invoice in there. And then the last signature, I love this bag here, and then I put a tag in there that I made. Love that. That's original. That's not stamped. That's from an old book. I didn't scan it because I didn't know whether, about the copyright thing or anything like that, but I thought it was pretty on a tag. Some beautiful Medieval Mirage here. Another journaling page. A little Stamperia journaling card. Tag, I should say. Medieval Mirage pocket. 1833 is the date of the book, so that's really gorgeous. And then here's another little tag and a tuck spot that I made. One of my scanned doilies. And then I put an antique lace pocket here and just a tag, and that's in one of my digital kits, that one. I love those. These are just, it's nice to have a lot of these sorts of things that you can just print out, and you can make a quick little tag, and they're pretty and that sort of thing. That's one of the tea-dyed doilies that I had stamped on. Isn't it? I love the colours. And then this is Medieval Mirage. I folded this one in and created two pockets. Now this was in the book. It's written with one of those ink pens. And I don't know what it means, but it was in the book. So I always, if there's something original like that in a book, I always try to put it back in. I feel like it should stay there. And I just love that with the stamping on it. I don't know what you do with it, but it's pretty. Here's another little envelope. They're so pretty, these envelopes. And I just made that a pocket. I just put this little taggy thing in there. It's not even Medieval Mirage, that one. And then this is one of my postcards. I don't know if I've published that one yet. I might not have, but that's just a little journaling card. It's very pretty. And then I made, with the extra piece of, it's actually a piece off this paper, a piece of scrapbooking paper. I created a side pocket, so you could actually put something bigger in there. And then at the back, I've got this pocket that I made. I don't know if I made that on video or not. And I put a little tag in there that I made. And then this very chunky monkey loaded pocket that was inspired by Sarah from the Mushroom Market. So that is in the back of the journal. And I'll probably put in this book belongs to, and a little thing that I've written, who made it. So that is the journal. I hope you like it, and I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you soon. Bye.